Step 1. Take a clean bowl and add 100 grams of butter to it. Once you've added the butter, set aside the bowl. This allows the butter to come down to the room temperature. Moving on to the next step. Now take another bowl. To this we are now gonna add in our dry ingredients, starting off with 1 1/4 cups of maida or refined flour. We're gonna make it pass through a sieve. Since we intend to make chocolate cookies, it's time to add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then you're going to repeat the same procedure, that is to pass it through the sieve. Our dry ingredients are now ready, so set them aside. Now take the bowl with the butter and add 1 cup of sugar. Start whisking the contents in the bowl. This process is called creaming. It's nothing fancy as it sounds. We're just making sure that the butter is well combined with the sugar. Whisk continuously until you notice a color change. After whisking for about 10 to 15 minutes, your mixture will look something like this. We are now going to crack 1 egg and add it to the mixture. Combine the egg with the rest of the mixture by whisking it. In the meantime, I just want to thank all my friends and my family members for your love and support. Also, I just wanted to update you guys on my posting schedule. Starting from now, I will be posting new videos every Thursdays, so make sure to tune into my channel. As you can probably see, the next step is to sieve our dry ingredients for a second time. I usually double sieve my dry ingredients, so I would recommend you to do the same. The next step is to add in 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. After that, add in a pinch of salt. Knead the ingredients in the bowl to form the cookie dough. This is the last step and is optional. If you're looking for plain chocolate cookies, you can skip this step. In order to spice things up, you can add any dry fruits of your choice. Here I chose to add raisins. Now give it a quick mix. Now take your baking tray and then line it with butter paper. In case you do not have the butter paper, just brush the tray with some oil or butter and then sprinkle some flour over it. Remember to dust off the excess flour. Take small portions of the dough and shape them into cookies. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 2 minutes. Bake the cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. After about 12 minutes, take the cookies out of the oven. Allow the cookies to cool down. And yes, our cookie treat is now ready.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.